Hien has been focusing on air source heat pumps for 24 years now. Top on product R&D and manufacturing. You must have seen us at some of the world's biggest events. Hien, 24 years of development. Until today, Hien Group owns Hien and AMA, two major brands, 2 large manufacturing bases and 15 branches and subsidiaries, and more than 5,300 strategic partners across China. As one of the leading brands of heat pumps in China, we are serving a product R&D, manufacturing, sales and after-sales. Our products cover 4 major areas: heating and cooling, hot water, drying, and swimming pool heat pumps. With rich product categories, we provide our customers with professional air energy solutions for all scenarios. Hien has the annual production capacity of more than 1 million air source heat pumps. We empower every procedure of production with advanced and modern manufacturing equipment, focusing on constructing a clean, low-carbon, safe and efficient manufacturing system. We implement the construction of manufacturing energy management system, enabling intelligent production throughout the entire process to empower energy conservation, emission reduction, and long-term green development in product manufacturing. For 24 years, Hien has focused on doing one extraordinary thing. Each air source heat pump must pass 43 standard tests in 8 categories from the beginning of production to the finished product. Through a rigorous production process and strict testing and environmental inspection, Hien air source heat pumps are able to maintain stable running even under harsh environmental conditions from minus 45 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. In the field of air energy equipment manufacturing, Hien has been committed to continuous innovation and breakthroughs in its products. Hien has set up 2 major R&D centers in 2 world-class innovative metropolitan areas, collaborating with China's top engineering universities, carry out long-term industry university research technical cooperation. We actively build an innovative research and development team focusing on postdoctoral fellows, become the driving force of continuous innovation of the air energy industry. As of today, Hien has obtained 100 technical patents through continuous R&D investment. Drive innovation with demand. Drive breakthrough with innovation. Highly subdivided professional production processes, mature and professional control tools enable rapid response and efficient collaboration. Hien will continue to carry out the concept of quality first and innovation. The business of Hien Group has spread throughout Europe, North America, Asia, and Africa. We will continue to implement the strategy of globalization, gather the advantageous resources of China's industrial chain, provide green energy solutions for the world, and serving the low-carbon goals of the whole world. Become a trustworthy creator of a green life.